Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Archicad and navigating straight to Options Profile Manager so you can act now. Create a new profile or pick an existing one. You need a clear name and category so you can find it later. Once done, link the profile to the project or template and assign layers and basic parameters. Make sure to set the intended workflow, construction, facade, or MEP, so subsequent steps inherit correct defaults and you don't repeat setup work. You now modify the profile geometry in the editor to match building conditions, draw or edit segments, set offsets, and define thickness so components behave predictably. Assign materials and surface attributes for accurate visualization and schedules, and link fills where needed. Once done, apply parametric controls like rotation, mirror, or scale, and add constraints so alterations propagate correctly. Make sure to test a short extrusion to confirm how the profile interacts with walls, beams, or columns before you finalize by saving the profile to the project library and updating linked elements so changes take effect globally. After saving, run visual checks and schedule reports to verify quantities and appearances. Revise parameters if something looks off. If elements fail to update, reload the library, purge unused items, or clear Archicad cache before reapplying the profile. One key tip: if geometry snaps or displays incorrectly, check element origins and layer priorities first because those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.